Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. During Christmas weekend we went to Pondicherry and we stay at hostel.in. So this video is all about hostel.in and the complete tour of the whole hotel. So this is a beach facing hotel located in Auroville. So if you are looking for a stay near Auroville and stay near front of the beach, then you can choose this place. So once you enter, this is how the corridors looks like. And this hotel is also great for a solo traveler or people who are traveling on a tight budget, as you can get a shared room here as well. So this is our room. We booked a private sea view room, and so once you enter, this is what you will get. First you will see the washroom. There is a nice basin. The bathroom is very spacious. You get a good space for shower. So it has everything like geyser and all. So this is nice. After that, once you move forward, you will find some space to keep your stuffs there. You'll get a nice king size bed which will face the beach, and you can see the beach view from the bed. So this is how the whole room looks like. It has chair also, so that you can sit there and see the view. Some tea and coffee, and there is a small dressing table for you to get ready. And this is basically how the whole room is. It's very nice. The windows are wide, so you can get a big view of the ocean and the water coming through, and you can also hear the sound of the waves. Now exploring further, as I said earlier, that this hotel also provide shared rooms for solo traveler and people on budget. So they have a small kitchen here, and they have a space for cleaning your clothes and drying it here. So this is the large space that they provide where you can clean your clothes and dry it up here. So they have all the facilities for that purpose as well. Now we are on the top floor of the building, and from the top floor you will get to see the panoramic view of the ocean. And plus they have a huge hall where you can just sit, relax, and if you are working, then you can come and walk here as well with a nice view. And if you want to view the sunrise, then also this is the best place where you can come early in the morning and get the best view of the sunrise, as the sunrise is just in front of this hotel. So now we have come down, and on the ground floor you'll get this dining area where you can have your lunch, dinner. The food is not allowed in the room, so you have to come here to eat your food. And if you go to the other side, you'll find the swimming pool. The swimming pool is big and it's long, but it's not that wide. And they have a small kids pool as well. From here you can also go to the edge of the property and watch the beach. From side there is a small road through which you can come outside and directly get to the beach. So this is the Oro beach. If you walk further, you will get to the main entrance of the Auroville beach. You will find many people here, as there are many property located side by side, so you will find many people chilling around. The water here is not that clean, as they drain hotel waste into this ocean. So they advised us to go a little further toward the main entrance of the Auroville beach and then get into the water. So this is it for this video. If you like the video, give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this in the future. Thank you very much for watching.